We've previously taken a close look at the X4, Insta360's 8K 360 action camera, which I still recommend as the best 360 camera on the market right now, thanks to not only the high quality hardware package, but also the software to go alongside it. Well, now Insta360 have teamed up with top creator, photographer and filmmaker Peter McKinnon to bring a new bundle that adds even more to your creative potential. The Insta360 X4 Peter McKinnon Edition. With a brand new foldable 2-in-1 selfie stick inspired by Peter McKinnon's vision, as well as a selection of X4 essential camera accessories, the bundle comes complete in this sleek, black, luxurious feeling package. And that luxurious feeling extends right inside too, where we find all items cradled within a soft foam cushioning. Of course, we have the Insta360 X4 camera itself, which is the same as the standard X4, nothing new or noteworthy here. I would have liked to have seen some additional external aesthetic changes, to be fair, just to make it a little more special, but otherwise it was an excellent camera before and it's the same excellent camera now. Also included is an Insta360 256GB micro SD memory card, and these really are great cards. A Class A2 V30 card with read and write speeds of up to 90MB per second. I've personally been using these cards in all my action cameras, and irrespective of capture settings used, they've always performed perfectly well without any issues whatsoever. Otherwise, we have all the standard essential X4 accessories here. Within the accessory box, there is a standard soft camera case, within which we have a USB-C charge cable, a soft cleaning cloth, and the X4 heat shield cover. Again, all accessories supplied with the standard X4 kit, so nothing new here. Of course, we also get the removable protective plastic lens covers, which are handy for use in dusty or otherwise extreme environments, considering you'll want to protect the lens surrounds on the actual camera itself as much as possible. They're not ideal and can introduce extra lens flare and artifacting sometimes, but they do in a pinch, and I'd personally rather have some added protection instead of nothing at all. Finally, we have the X4 lens cap, again another standard accessory, and not one I use too often, to be fair, although the option is there regardless. Over on the opposite side of the package then is a plastic case containing a spare X4 battery, which is always handy, as well as storage space for an additional memory card. And finally, we have Insta360's latest brand new accessory, inspired by Peter McKinnon himself, the foldable 2-in-1 selfie stick. With a sleek black finish, this accessory is available for purchase separately, although only the ones provided in the Peter McKinnon bundle come complete with this signature as a special touch. Otherwise, we have a standard 1/4" 20 mounting point at the very top with a rotating dial just beneath, useful for installing your camera while maintaining its orientation. So with the camera in place, we have our typical selfie stick design here, and as with any other selfie stick, pull or push to extend and contract according to your desired length. This really does feel very solid. Anyways, just below, close to the operator's thumb, we have a Bluetooth shutter button. Once paired with the camera, this can be used to power up, start and stop capture, as well as power down the camera, all without touching the main unit itself. Very handy for times when the stick is extended and the camera is out of reach. Other than a status LED, which highlights connectivity and low battery warnings, and a USB-C charging port at one end, it's a nice little accessory that's compatible with the Ace Pro 2 as well as the X4. Oh, and it's magnetic, so it attaches back to the selfie grip nice and neat. Moving on, further down we have a lanyard attachment point with a lanyard complete with a lens cover pre-attached, although no 1/4" 20 thread for attachment to other extensions or accessories, like Insta360's standard extending stick, which is a shame as I do find this thread rather useful. Saying that, we do have some tripod feet built right into the stick, extended by simply pulling outwards where they spring open, now providing a good wide base for hands-free shooting. As they're so wide, they do hold the entire setup really quite well. As the remote shutter can be removed from the selfie stick, it provides the ability to start and stop capture from up to 10 meters away. Once done, it magnetically reattaches itself within the handle, a really nice added touch. Although do bear in mind that due to the built-in USB-C charging port, this is not a water-resistant accessory. Finally, when it comes to storing the camera away between shooting sessions, with the press of a button, the setup folds to half the length, where we can then attach the lens cover, which also secures everything together, leaving the setup ready to place away in your bag. I must admit I'm not a huge fan of this lens cover design choice though. You need to make sure this stays clean if you're using it to cover the lenses for instance, so I personally stick to using the included case instead. Either way, with a quick flip you're ready to start shooting again in an instant. All in all, this is a really nice kit with a luxurious premium feel. While the Insta360 X4 camera itself is the same, no changes or developments there, we have all the original accessories as well as this personalised 2-in-1 foldable selfie stick, complete with its mini remote, which I actually found really nice and sleek to use. Should you already own the X4, this accessory is available separately of course and makes for a perfect X4 companion.